This is Lian Li's latest compact platinum PSU, the SX1200P. The SX Platinum series is available in 850 watts, 1000 watts, and the 1200 watts model we'll be looking at today. You can get them in black or white. I got myself a white one for my white PC build for around $129 US. It could be different based on your region. Right, let's unbox it and see what's inside. Okay, so first thing first, here's a thank you card from Lian Li and a product manual. Next, we got a color matching power cord, which is nice because some PSUs are shipped with a black power cord regardless of the PSU color. So that's some attention to details of Lian Li. Now, we're looking at the PSU itself. Well, it's quite heavy and it is a bit smaller than regular ATX PSUs. I'll go through the details later on. And finally, we got the power supply cables, packed inside of a fancy fabric bag. Let's take the cables out and have a quick look. The PSU comes with one 24-pin motherboard cable, two CPU 8-pin cables, one 12V 2x6 cable for newer generation GPUs, three PCIe 8-pin cables, one 12V 2x6 to dual PCIe 8-pin adapter cable, one Molex cable, and two SATA cables. Technically, the number of PCIe cables are enough for powering multiple GPUs inside of one build. Now, you might have noticed that the cables are not pure white, but rather slightly purplish, and you're not wrong at all. Lian Li has addressed this issue and I'll talk about it after going through the details of the PSU. Alright, that's all the things included in the box. Let's have a look at the PSU first. The SX1200P is shorter than standard ATX power supplies, measuring 140mm in length. The PSU fan cover is an uneven surface formed by irregular polygons. It's a pretty cool design in my opinion. The text on the side is the PSU model name, and it will appear upright when the PSU fan is facing downwards. Speaking of the PSU fan, the SX Platinum series supports 0 RPM mode. You can switch it on at the back of the PSU, and the 120mm fan inside will stop spinning under 40% load, which is around 480 watts for this 1200 watts model. There are different fan curves and noise levels for each model. Models with higher wattage generate slightly more noise. Now let's talk about the cables. As I mentioned earlier, the cables are a bit purplish instead of being pure white. Lian Li made an announcement about this on their website, and you can now fill in a support request form to get a new set of cables. My new cables arrived around a week after submitting the form. Not gonna lie, that's some seriously quick customer support from Lian Li. Anyways, back to the cables. The main cables used braided sleeving, while the rest, including SATA, Molex, and 12V 2x6 to dual PCIe adapter cables, use flat ribbon sleeving. What's even better is that the 24-pin CPU and 12V 2x6 cables also come with pre-installed cable combs, keeping your visible cables tidy. Last but not least, the build quality. A high-quality power supply is crucial for a reliable PC. The SX1200P is Platinum certified under 80+ and PPLP, equipped with 100% Japanese 105°C capacitors. It is also rated as Tier A by SPL's PSU tier list, with good electrical performance and quiet operation. Most importantly, Lian Li provides 10-year warranty for the entire SX Platinum lineup, showing their confidence in their design, performance, and build quality. That's all for this PSU. I'll swap out my old PSU and upgrade my PC very soon. Make sure to like this video and subscribe with notifications on so you won't miss anything. If you're interested in building a budget DDR4 PC build, make sure to check this video out.